I used to struggle to get a good watermark for your edits on After Effects, well don't worry, because today I'm going to show you how to make the best watermark on After Effects with a preset I've made for you guys. The first thing you actually want to do is go to the mega link down below in the description of the Discord server. I'm going to also put it there and click on it. You're going to get the 3D shiny text thing we're going to actually use in After Effects. The overlay we're going to also use that I use in my edits, and I also include a free CC pack for you to enjoy, just you know, a wee gift for you. So yeah, that's what we're going to use for this tutorial. After you download the necessary files, just import them in After Effects as you mainly do. Import the 3D shiny text and import the overlay. First, what you want to usually do is put the overlay first before the whole shiny text, and you can technically make it as long as you want, but I usually tend to keep it at 2 or 3 seconds. You don't really want the outro to be 7 seconds. It's usually the outro to be edited, so about 5 seconds maximum. After that, open the folder of the 3D shiny text and import comp 1. Don't touch the pre-comp 10 or solids. Don't even touch it. And then you have a 3D shiny text. You can double click the pre-comp and double click again and go to Wall Street. I named it Wall Street because I was editing a Wall Street edit. Double click it and enter your preferred name. You can change the font. If you want to copy my font, it's Hamston, a regular, and that's it. Go to comp 1 again, and there you go. You have shiny text. Obviously, this is not how it looks like in my edits. So what I do usually is I go to effects and presets / hue and saturation. Put it on your 3D shiny text. Put the saturation to 100 or like 70, something like that, and then change the color as much as you want. Usually when I do Soldier Boy, which is a green color, then I put a green saturation on it. When I usually put Tyler Durden, I put a red saturation on it. It just depends on what you want to do. Same thing on your overlay, put that thing, increase the saturation to like 100 and increase it to match the text. And there you go, you have your 3D shiny text. What I also want to do is I also usually go off the start of the clip, press S for the scaling properties, go to the end where it ends, and type in 140. Now make the text up to 140. Put the rotation in. Also, because I usually use a rotation, I put that to like 7, and there you go. You have exactly what I use to make my edits. Obviously, not all of my audience is not on After Effects, so don't worry, all you CapCut or like motion editors. I'm also gonna release this for CapCut and on motion. All you have to do is text me on Discord, and I will make this custom for you. Put whatever name you want and what color you want, and I'll try to make it for you. So that's all for CapCut and all like motion editors. If you don't know, of course you can't do this if you don't have After Effects, but that's what I do. Also, I put my preset pack on here, which you can find in my pay hip, which just upscales the text so it looks better and more glowy. That's what you should put on, and I put topaz on that, but it works with topaz. If you have any other tutorials you want me to see, if any transitions or anything that you see in my edits that you want to make in your edits and you want to learn how to do it, comment down below. I'm trying to make more videos. I know after the summer it's kind of difficult now, but you know, I'll try to make more videos for you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.